Hello guys, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I will teach you that how you can create the software and PF calculation software in MS Access. So let's begin. First of all, I'm going to get a blank database. Click on here and I'm going to creating it. You can give any name to this database. Here's our database. Now I'm going to the design view. Okay, I will save it as a salary t. Okay, it's a salary table, so I have given the name salary t. Okay, the first will be the employee employee id. Okay, this will be employee id. Okay, so I will keep it as an auto number. Next is name. Okay, let it be text. It's okay. Next is salary. Okay, salary will be in the currency. I will select the currency here. Okay, the next will be pf. Let's go deduction. Pf deduction. Okay, in pf deduction I will select number. So pf deduction must be in the percentage. So for that I go to the design view. Okay, save it. See, if I give the name Rahul. Okay, salary, let it be 21,000. Okay, so PF deduction, if I write here 15% deduction. Okay, if I go there, it will become 0. Okay, so it means that we are unable to write the 15% here. For that, what I do, I will go into the design view again. Next, I will go to the field size. I will write here double integer, not double, only double. Okay, the next is in format I will select percent. Okay, now it's okay. So the next will be, I'm saving it. Next will be the pf amount. Okay, for that if I give number here only, then you will see. Okay, I'm saving it. I will show you again. I'm going to the design view. Sorry, data sheet view. Yeah, see, now I have written here only 15, so it means 15% is working now. The thing is that if 15% will be deducted from the 21,000 rupees salary, the pf amount is not being shown. Okay, it's not being displayed. So for that, again I will have to go to the design view. See, here I will select the number. Okay, as I have selected number, then I will also change the field size. Okay, the next not field size. Okay, I will keep it. Okay, I will write here double again. Now it will work. Okay, okay, as I have changed the format, field size is double. Save it. I go to data sheet view, but still it's not being displayed. For that, I will have to create a query. So I am going to save it and close the table here. I know. Let's create a query. Okay, I'm selecting query design here. Here it is. Here's a salary. I will add it. Okay, as I add it, then I will have to select the all the fields. Okay, so what I'm going to do, as I added it, I'm going to close it. The next thing, see, I'm going to select, but I'm not go, I'm selecting all the fields at once. For that, I will select here. Okay, I have double clicked on the salary tree, so all the fields have been selected. By pressing Ctrl, I'm going to dragging it down. So here, see, I have selected all the fields at once and dragged it down. So here is employee ID, everything has been there. So for that, I'm going to right click here, right click on the PF mount and entering into the zoom mode. I click on the zoom. Here is a PF mount. Okay, so now I'm going to change the font of PF mount. First of all, I'm increasing the size. Let it be bold, and I'm selecting, okay, I'm selecting Times New Roman. Times New Roman. That's it. Bold, and I'm increasing the size. Let it be 18, and okay. See, now it's visible. It's looking much better. The next thing, what I'm going to do, okay, I'm writing here PF mount colon. So I'm writing salary. Okay, salary is multiplied with PF deduction. See, salary is going to multiply with the PF deduction. D. Okay, deduction. So here I'm closing it. Okay. So the next thing, salary multiplied. Okay, multiplied with PF deduction. It's okay now. Okay, I'm going to save it. Let it be query one. I'm going to save it as it is. The next I'm going to save it again. I'm closing it. Just okay. So now I'm going to open the query, and you will see what's the difference. See, automatically it PF mount has been calculated. Okay, I'm entering one new data here. RAM. Okay, amount is 51,000. Okay, okay, I'm deducting 21%. See, amount has been calculated. Okay, if you are writing, I'm writing one more data. Let it be early. See, I'm giving 31,000. Okay, I'm deducting 15.5. See, if I am selecting the point value, it will again be calculated automatically. So see, it's would calculated automatically. So this is the benefit as we are creating a query. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. Kindly hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so that you can get updates. Thank you.